بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. امید کرتا ہوں آپ سب خیریت سے ہوں گے. My name is حافظ محمد محمود محیدین. دوستو آج کی ویڈیو بہت ہی اسپیشل ہے. آج کی ویڈیو میں آئلس میں آنے والے 2025 میں ان کیو کارڈز کا تذکرہ کروں گا جو کہ بہت ہی زیادہ اہم ہے اور خاص کر ان طلباء کے لیے سننا جو کہ رواں سال آئلس کو دینے کے بارے میں سوچ رہے ہیں. سو ہم ایک موک ٹیسٹ کریں گے. میرے ساتھ میرے اسٹوڈنٹ موجود ہیں, میں ان کا انٹروڈکشن کروں گا اور اکارڈنگلی ایک پورا اسپیکنگ موک ٹیسٹ ہم لیں گے اس ویڈیو میں. تو اس ویڈیو کو آخر تک دیکھیے گا, انشاءاللہ آپ کو بہت کچھ لرن کرنے کو ملے گا. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Okay, so can you tell me about yourself, please?
Yeah, definitely. My name is Samad, and currently I'm a student. I am in 11th grade, and I am studying computer science currently. I like to, sometimes sing a little bit, but yeah, that's basically my introduction, I would say.
Okay, well done. So please tell me, where are you from?
I'm from Sahiwal, and I live in a small town in it, and I have some friends, and my family lives there. My dad has always been living there, and it's a nice little town where I have some few friends as well, and I hang out with them sometimes.
Okay, well done. So what is the best thing in your daily routine? Can you tell me briefly, please?
I could say that I like to exercise a bit. Like, I think physical activity is really important, and it allows the person to be more flexible. So basically, I just do a little bit of exercise.
Okay, fine. So please tell me, what is the most precious things do you have right now?
The most precious things, I would count that as my family. I think family is a thing that in a person's life which really is helping and impactful. Like, they're the only people who care about you truly and give you motivation. So I think that's the thing that's the most dear to me right now.
Very well done. So now we are going to jump into the second segment, which is called Q card segment. And inshallah, I will show you Q card, or you have to talk about 2 minutes about that topic. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
اب ہم بڑھتے ہیں کیو کارڈ کی طرف. یاد رکھیے گا, یہ کیو کارڈ وہی ہے جو 2025 میں ایک اسٹوڈنٹ سے آئلس میں پوچھا گیا تھا. تو بڑھتے ہیں اپنے نیکسٹ ویڈیو کی طرف. سو here is your cue card, and you have only 1 minute, and after 1 minute you have to speak 2 minutes approximately on this topic.
All
Take
right.
your time.
Okay.
Your time is over. Give it to me.
All right.
And please go on.
Okay. So, talking about a thing that changed my life for the better at a point, I would say that when I was around 2016, 2015, I moved to Karachi, and I stayed for like 3 to 4 years, and I met like really different type of people than I met in Punjab. And a lot of them, they inspired me to do like a lot of great things. Like, it was like a new whole world open for me. There was multiple hobbies that I discovered. For example, I saw some guys playing basketball, and I got really interested in that. Then I started playing a little bit of basketball, and now it's a thing that I play every Sunday. Like, I go to the field, and then I play some go to like a court of basketball, and then I just play with some random guys there. And I've also made some friends there as well. And other than that, like, I also, if as I told you, I like to sing. And I also picked up that hobby, and I mean, I would say that is a passion now for me. But I just saw some guys singing in a choir. I asked them that if I can join them, and then from there, slowly but surely, I started to pick up on, like, I picked up on this hobby and then it turned into a passion, and then that was about it for me.
Well done. Your time is over. Very well done. And now we are going to jump into the third segment, which is called follow-up question.
Mhm.
And I will ask you some question accordingly, and you have to give me the answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So my first question is to you that how do you think making changes to your life can impact your overall well-being?
Making changes, I think it's a thing that requires some motivation. Like, for example, a person who doesn't eat a lot, like, hey, they wants to gain some weight, but they don't like, they waste their time in things that don't really matter. I think they could maybe focus on their diet, and then it will help them. But they need motivation. Maybe they can talk to a person or a therapist or anything, and I think that will really like, I'm just like a small example. Like, if you go to large examples, for example, a person needs to become a doctor or something, they just
Fine.
need motivation.
Fine. So my next question is to you that what do you think is the most difficult part of making significant life changes?
What's the most difficult part for making significant life changes?
Yeah.
Yes, as I told you, it's changing your routine, or changing your, like, for example, if you're used to something, you're doing it daily, and you need to break that habit, then it's it has become like a part of your life. Breaking that thing, it requires severe motivation, and requires severe intention of becoming a better person for that thing. And I think that is done by actually caring about your future.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Well done. So can you explain the role of discipline in making positive changes in life?
Yes, in every field of life, even in education, or be it like your corporate job, if there's no discipline, nobody's going to respect you, and nobody's going to look up to you. If you want to present your best in front of everybody, I think you need to be disciplined, and then everybody will respect you. And I think respect is more important than wealth.
Well done. So do you think it's more challenging to change your habits when you are older?
Yes, because if you developed a habit and you're older, then they're just burned into you. They're burned into your heart. That's what, like, your habits then describe you. They become into your personality. It's like, when you're old, they just become a part of you. So when you're younger, it's easier to get rid of them, but you're older, it's just hard and difficult, and it's just you. It describes you.
Okay, man. So how do you stay motivated when trying to change something about your life?
I think what I usually do is I listen to my friends. They are a good and my parents as well. They are also like a good source. They tell me the benefits of changing myself or doing something for the better. Even if I don't realize it at first, when I end up doing it, I think like, yeah, they're always right, and then I get even more motivated to do other things that they tell me to do.
Thank you so much. تو یہ تھا ہمارا ایک آئلس ڈیمو ٹیسٹ. آپ نے دیکھا کہ کس طرح ہماری اکیڈمی سے پڑھنے والے بچے جو ہیں وہ بہترین انداز میں نہ صرف انگلش کو سیکھتے ہیں بلکہ وہ اپنی اس کو ڈلیور کرنے میں بھی ان کو کوئی مسئلہ نہیں رہتا. سو مزید ایسی ویڈیوز کو دیکھنے کے لیے ہمارے ساتھ جڑے رہیے گا. انشاءاللہ ہم مزید اس پہ جو ہے وہ موک ٹیسٹ بنائیں گے. اور اگر آپ کو کوئی چیز پوچھنی ہے یا آئلس کی ٹریننگ کوچنگ کلاسز لینی ہے تو آپ ہم سے رابطہ کر سکتے ہیں. بہت شکریہ. اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا. اللہ حافظ.